Our company is Nanotronics, and we make an automated visual inspection system. So it's a robotic, artificially intelligent system that can look at any material or any product, analyze its features or any anomaly in it, turn those images into raw data, and feed them into a system that runs a factory. Well, so our business has largely been within the semiconductor industry. We're a 6-year-old company. We've been diversifying across industries, and so we've been growing within aerospace and defense, within pharmaceutical, advanced materials and chemicals. And so to continue to do that, we've still got about 85% of our revenue within semiconductors, and we want that to be down to about 60%. But obviously the revenue growing overall, just diversifying the stream. I think the biggest challenge is selling into manufacturing companies that are oftentimes sort of calcified and stayed in their ways. There's some risk aversion because there's standardized procedures and accepted kind of equipment. But kind of the point of this summit here in Abu Dhabi is about the future of manufacturing, and we're really at the beginning of the fourth industrial revolution. And so I think the more that companies realize that, the easier those challenges will get.